Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring the essentials are ready, tool installed, credentials if needed, and robots. TXT checked so you respect site rules. Next, add your start URLs and define the crawl scope so you avoid irrelevant pages. Configure rate limits and user agent to prevent overload and blocks. Once done, run a small test crawl on one domain to validate connectivity and parsing behavior before scaling up. Once your test crawl succeeds, build robust parsing and navigation rules. Craft precise selectors and fallback behaviors so you extract clean fields. Implement pagination, logic, and link discovery, normalizing URLs to avoid duplicate work, and add loop detection to stop cycles. Then add retry policies, exponential backoff, and local deduplication. Make sure to persist state for incremental resumes, so long runs can pick up where they left off without finish by saving parsed records to your chosen storage and validating a sample export to confirm schema alignment. Set up monitoring for throughput, error rates, and HTTP status distributions so you catch problems early. Once alerts trigger, inspect logs to pinpoint failures. If pages change, update selectors. If blocked, increase delays or rotate proxies and user agents. And if you hit parsing errors, revert to a smaller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.